Welcome back to yet another unboxing, my friends. Today we are checking out the MA3TY MA3TY hunting tactical flashlight. It's a zoomable torch lantern with approximately 1200 lumens. Alright, how do we open this thing up here? Just like that. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so in the box we have, set that down for just a second. Looks like an end cap for the flashlight and a kind of a remote button. I believe you can mount this on possibly a gun or something, and just a different way to turn your flashlight on and off. That's pretty sweet. Also, we have a battery charger. Okay, it holds one battery, as you can see right here. Let's check out. I always like to mention how long the cords are. I try to throw that if I'm doing a review on something that has a cord, let you guys know, because some things it's important to know. So this one is approximately probably 3 feet long, and not a real big deal if you're just using a charger. Alright, here's what we've all been waiting for, so we're going to put that away for just a second. Let's get the rest of the contents of the box. In here we have That's it for that. What do we have? We have a little tiny Ziploc bag, and this has a mount. There's all these little strings. This has a mount with a Allen wrench. Okay, and I believe, if you could see how, let's see if I can get it not highlighted. It has a little clamp there, and I believe you can mount it on a scope or something like that. Maybe some kind of different things you can mount it onto. All right, and we have two batteries. These are 18650s, the 3.7 volt lithium ion 300 mAh. So there's two of them, which is pretty cool. That means you could be charging one and have one in the flashlight. All right, let's hope one of these has a charge. Maybe check this out real quick before I do the final demonstration and review. So here it is, my friends. It's approximately probably about 4 inches long. Now this is zoomable. As you can see, this goes in and out. This is like, I believe, some kind of aluminum. It does have your little bevels here on the edge. You can not exactly sure what those are for. I've heard you can use them as a weapon, and but as to exactly why they're beveled like that, I'm not sure. If someone knows, they could let me know in the description, not in the description, in the comments below. My goodness. Okay, so there's that, and let's see. So oh my goodness, that came out quickly. There's the end cap, and okay, I was looking for. Let's actually see if one of these batteries has a charge. My goodness, that plastic is. You've got to be joking me. Is this a. It will not be foiled. Okay, that's it. Just for that. Okay, that wasn't that hard. Okay. Sorry you had to see that, folks. Anyways, back to the review here. I believe it should go in that way. Let's see if this thing has a charge or not. Dun, dun, dun. Threads are nice there. Ah, it does have a little charge. Cool. Alright, see if I can shine that on the wall behind me. That is pretty bright there, actually. All right, there's a zoom. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, that is a nice focus, actually. Check that out. I'm going to shine you right in the face here. Oh, ho, ho. How do you like them apples? Okay, that's pretty bright, actually. Ah, even with my mask on, that's pretty bright. Let's flick off the light here. Give you a little bit of more perspective here. We got the light coming in from the hallway, but I don't. Okay. There we go. That is kind of a bright little light. Of course, this is just the unboxing, so in the review, I'm going to go out in the darkness and show you guys just what this little puppy can do. So quite a bright little light. First impression is pretty bright here, for sure. Okay, I like the zoomable fact of it. Okay, let's see if I can adjust it. Trying to get it to go to different brightnesses, or usually these have like an SOS and all that. Maybe you can't access that with that. This is, I haven't read up totally on this yet, so let's go ahead and put in the adapter now. Okay, that's it came on right now. Okay, now we have it. Off, on. Doesn't seem to be doing anything else there. Alright, I will be, that does work though. Let's see here. How many buttons are on this thing? Maybe just 2. Doesn't appear to do anything there. I'm trying to access the strobe feature. Anyways, I'm going to mess around with it a little bit more when I do the demonstration / review. We'll be able to figure it out. Anyways, pretty cool little flashlight. I wonder if you guys can see the LED in there. Yeah, we can. So quite a good size one, and I really like the focusable fact. I do have, well, had the world's brightest handheld flashlight, which is the Immolent DX80. Not focusable. I mean, that one put out a ton of light. No, you can't argue with that. But it just was all over, like, you know, like a floodlight. So if you could focusable, it'd be insane. I do like the focus aspect on this one. Okay, my friends, thanks for watching this unboxing. I will be coming back with a review as well as a demonstration, a little bit more in depth, hopefully. You could grab this from Amazon for about $26. I'll leave a link in the description below, and we'll see you next time. Everyone have a great day out there. ETPC out.